about 25-ish minutes, but I finally got an order worth taking, and just barely too. This one isn't great. This is Kitchen Table Cafe, $8 going 5.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Oh my God, dude, come on. Today is not starting out as a good day. Of course, I needed a gate code. Typed it in, hit call. Waited about 3 minutes, nothing. Texted them saying it didn't work. Oh, sometimes you need to do it 2 or 3 times. Please try again. Did it again, still nothing. Luckily, somebody finally pulled up behind me and let me in. So somehow today is much worse than yesterday. I don't know how that's possible. I'm about to round out that first hour and I've only had 1 order, so big yikes. Hopefully it starts to pick up soon when people start waking up and realizing it's raining outside. I don't want to go out. We've got an IHOP. This is $10 going 6 miles.
Appreciate that.
Sure.
Those doors are terribly heavy.
Oh yeah.
Have a great meal.
You as well. Thank you.
Head to your pickup at Muchas Gracias.
This is going to be $9 going 6 miles. Thank you. Yeah. Grab hot sauce, please. Oh, you're so annoying. Thank you. I usually don't take these requests very seriously, but I'm supposed to meet them outside and I'm not trying to get yelled at today, so there you are.
Thank you very much.
Just sitting here waiting for more orders to pop in. Lots of no tippers I've noticed today, more so than usual. I wonder why that is. But the liquor store opens in about 2 minutes now. Okay, just as I thought, the liquor store just opened and we got a shop and deliver for alcohol. Not the greatest order, but I'm just trying to start moving. $8.50 going 4.5 miles, only 1 item. Oh, they want a bigger one. They want this. On the shelf, you're all out.
Oh,
I was just,
okay.
Yeah, I was just wondering if there was more.
Yeah, there's more. You just gotta go grab it. You just need one or?
Yeah, just 1 bottle.
That's just one of those. The Coke's half gallon just so popular. Like as soon as you put it on the shelf, people just clear it out.
Really?
Yeah, and last week we had a person like literally buy our whole stock of it, like 100-something bottles.
Thank you.
There you go.
Appreciate it. What the? Gift sender. This item is a gift, apparently. I didn't know you could do that with alcohol orders. Interesting. Hopefully they are expecting it and don't have me standing out in the rain waiting for ID. And then just scribble on that line if you can. Good enough for me. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Jack in the Box, $9 going 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Caught this order as I was dropping that off. This is for a place called Brewed Cafe. $20 going 9 miles. I don't know where this is, so hopefully it goes smoothly. Well, it turns out this is downtown, so this one might be a bit of a hassle. Still might be worth it. We'll see what happens. All right, let's make this quick because I just saw the parking enforcement people. I'm not trying to get caught up today.
And then here's some food for you.
Perfect, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Have a great day.
I finally got my next order. This is going to be for McDonald's. $10 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mirador. Okay, okay. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Tell me why she was just hiding behind the door waiting for me. Just about slammed the door shut once she saw me coming by. Just got the next order. This is gonna be an alcohol pickup. $12 going 5 miles.
Come on, camera.
Yes.
Yeah? Nice. Do you ever get people that are just like upset at you for no reason because you're wearing that?
Only one, surprisingly, and I've been doing it like almost 2 years now.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
Good luck, I guess.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, have a good one.
Yep, you too. Okay, I'm sick of dealing with people for today, so I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 11:26. Current total is 70, and I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in, so probably around 85 actually, because that last one, the base pay was pretty low, which means supposedly there's gonna be a big tip on it. Hopefully. I don't know, she seemed kind of iffy, if I'm being honest. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.